everybody and welcome to a new video. As you saw from the title, I'm going to order a ton of stuff from 100% Hardcore today. I actually really love their brand. I have quite a collection myself and I've been working with them for quite a while now too. So today I'm going to order 500 euros worth of stuff. So before we get into that, small disclaimer. Obviously this is not sponsored in the way that they're paying me to say anything. Anyone who's been on my channel for a while knows I'm always really honest in my reviews, whether that's a brand in this case or a festival or a rave, but it is obviously a collaboration. I don't have to pay for any of this stuff. I'm also not keeping everything. I have no need for 500 euros worth of clothes and other stuff. That makes no sense. I am picking out a few of my favorites to add to my collection, but the rest I'm sending back. So last but not least, before I get to ordering, from now on, if you use code Elena10HC, so Elena10 Hardcore, but just the letters, you get 10% off your order. So use the code and let me know if you order something. Tag me in your photos, do all the stuff. So now I'm going to order. I'm going to record my screen while I order so you can see what I get. And then obviously when we're unboxing, you can see exactly what it is. I'm also going to try everything on and show you how I would style it and you know, about the sizing, how it looks, etc. But let's get to ordering first. This is going to take a while.
One eternity later.
So I've been filming for half an hour trying to figure out what I want to get. I finally got my list complete. I've got 100% Hardcore sport socks, 2 pairs. I got a 100% Hardcore backpack. I got a 100% Hardcore training jacket in Dream. I got Australian training shorts in mint green. I'm actually kind of excited for those. I also got some Australian training pants in dark green. I got a 100% Hardcore sport top. I got a Lonsdale Slim Fit polo in Oxblood red. I really hope this one fits me because I think it's really different from everything I have so far in my collection and I think it's pretty cool. I also got 100% Hardcore sport leggings, Elite Pauper t-shirt. I got a 100% Hardcore windbreaker, and last but not least I got a keychain because I'm kind of curious what they look like. And now I'm going to check out. So obviously I'm not going to show you the checkout, but I'll see you for me in about a day and for you in a second with the unboxing. So I have this big box. I ordered on Friday. I got this in on Saturday, so the day after. It's Friday again because I didn't have time to film. So I've been staring at this for a whole week. Anyway, I'm just gonna open it and go from there. Gunther is being annoying right down here. I don't know if you can see him, but if you like hear running around, that's Gunther. Okay, let's do this. First of all, a little card that says thank you for your order, blah blah blah. Very cute. Always like stuff like that. There's some stickers in here. We got also, of course, we got their magazine. I always love going through this. There's so many amazing stuff that they have. Oh look, it's Rob. Always good to see him. I miss him a lot. Okay, so yes, I'm not hidden behind the box anymore. Anyway, first of all, we have the keychain, and I love this. Wait. Hinty. It looks really good. Not much to say about it. It's a keychain. You know what a keychain looks like. It's really nice though. I really like it. It's kind of big. Like this is my hand. So it's a good sizable keychain. Next up is the Dream jacket. So this is voiceover Elena checking in. Obviously I'm wearing the whole Dream outfit here. I'm quite hyped about the jacket. It does look really good. I really like the colors. So I do wear these in S. They fit me really well. This one has a white zipper. It fits in with the design really well. The back is really cool because the skull gives it a little bit extra hardcore. And as usual, the details are really nice. For For example, this little embroidered logo on the front and the little chain on the zipper. Last but not least, we of course have the black and white boards. So next up is the windbreaker. I'm actually really curious about this one because I really like the style. Wait, let me put this behind me. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice material. It also has like mesh on the inside. I really do like this. I honestly think this is perfect for a windy day at a festival, or like those in April where it's still really cold in the evening. This is an S as well. It fits me really well. The zipper goes about to halfway down to my chest and it fits me really well, as I said. I think it's very comfortable and I really do like the bold print at the top of it, and that's me doing a little dancey dance. So this is a close-up of the zipper to show you that it works pretty well. I do really like the details on the sleeves. I know I didn't film it that well, I was so obsessed with the print, but it does look really cool. Next up is the Elite Pauper shirt. So I'm wearing it with my aus here. I will definitely put it in my pants when I'm wearing it like this, or out of my pants with jeans or shorts. So this is a close-up look of the logo. Obviously it's a plain black shirt, but it fits me nice. It's an S as well, and I would definitely wear it to a festival. So these are the leggings. I'm actually really curious how these fit me. Because I'm kind of small, and also I usually wear like the thicker leggings to work out in. I don't really wear them to festivals, but I can see how you could wear these like pretty cool. So yeah, I'm really curious. I do like the logo on the side and the print on the other side. It does look like nice quality, to be honest. So yeah, I'm curious. So this is Elena from the future, and they don't really fit me. They're too big around the ankles, the knees, the crotch area. I do think the whole Galaxy theme is really cool. It's a bit too much for me, but I could see someone wear this either like this or with a plain top and really make it work if you're a bit taller than me. Oh, I fucking love this color. Oh, whoops. That's amazing. I love this so much. So this is me in the Lonsdale Slim Fit Polo, the Lion Oxblood Red. This is my favorite item, honestly. I'm wearing it in my jeans here, obviously. It's a size M, it's really way too big. But I don't mind that at all because I can wear it like this or layer it under a sweater. So as you can see from my clumsy attempt to close the shirt, it does have 3 buttons. I think it looks cutest with it buttoned up, but you could really play with that, and this is me showing how big it actually is. So as you can see, it has some really nice details, the logo, of course the buttons, and the sleeves and neck tie really in well together. So this is the sports bra. I actually really like how it looks. It doesn't have any filling. I don't mind that. You can either wear it on top of a bra if you don't want to wear it like without any filling. I don't really mind that, as I said. I wouldn't wear it as an actual sport bra though. I think I do like a little bit filling in those. But I think for a festival piece, especially on underneath the jacket or a different colored jacket, that would be so cool. As I said, it does look pretty cool with the jacket. For me, the straps are a bit too short. I would like it to be a little bit lower on my body. But I do really like the print, and I could definitely see myself wear this to a festival. So next up, the Australian shorts. I bought these in a double XS. I think I have triple XS, but they didn't have these any smaller, so I'm just gonna try them. And I thought it was good, like that I have one in a smaller size and one in a bigger size to try it out. But I do really like this color. Look at those. Those are cool. Those are really cool. Those are, in fact, really cool. I love them. Remember when I said gabberwear wasn't for me, and look at me now. I really like the length of these. They feel very comfortable. So these have just one zipper on the sides. the right side I believe, and of course the details on the side as well with the logo. The other pocket is just a normal pocket, and of course it also has some drawstrings to make it a bit tighter. And I'm actually really happy with the overall fit. I think this is the right size for me. Okay, so now the Australian long pants. Let's see. Oh, fancy. So I got these in a triple XS, one size smaller than the other ones. This one fits well as well, but the crotch area is a bit shorter and I would like to wear them high-waisted. Of course, it also has the zipper on the leg, which is really nice for when you wear shoes and need to take it off. It has the same details as the other one, except 2 zippers, which is actually really nice. I would like that the other one had that as well. Of course, the logos and the drawstrings are there as well. And as you can see, it's a bit tighter on me. So, of course, I also ordered a backpack. Oh, before I move on, I want to say that I also have a second channel called Suspicious, and I just got a bunch of secondhand clothing this weekend from my mom that I'm going to make into other clothing, like remake into different stuff on that channel later this month somewhere. So if you're interested in seeing stuff like that as well, check that out. So this is the backpack, and I really like it. It's a good size. Use me for a size charge. This is all embroidered on. It feels like really good quality. The zippers have nice details. The back looks really nice as well. That's print, obviously. Let's open this baby up. So if you open her up, it's got a good sizable space. You've got like a secret little pocket here, for example, for keys or money. And then obviously we also have like the front pocket. I think this is a really good bag to bring to a festival. I do like to bring a big backpack to festivals usually. Put my sweater in it, put my money in it, put my keys in it, throw it all backstage or in a locker. And I think this looks pretty cool. So I do really like it. Next up, I'm excited for these. I'm wearing hamburger socks right now, by the way. Rate my outfit. So I got these 100% hardcore socks, and it might be dumb that this is the item I'm most excited about, but I have a thing for socks. I'm one of those people that matches my makeup to my socks. If I'm wearing colored socks, I would definitely rock these with my pants rolled up, or even like underneath these. That's a look. I would go for that. I'm just gonna open these up. I'm gonna keep these definitely. I really do love them. Oh, they're nice. They look like really good quality too. They're thick. I like my thick socks. They have these little like softness in the bottom that's a little bit thicker. Yeah, they're nice. The print looks really good as well. I'm here to say bye. Small conclusion. I love pretty much everything, especially this shirt is definitely my favorite. It's a bit too long because I ordered it in an M, but I would wear this anytime. It's so cool. I really like the Aussies as well, especially the short ones. I would style that in so many ways. I'm excited to wear more different stuff this year, hopefully at parties. The long ones, I can understand why people wear them. Really comfortable, they look pretty cool. I don't think I would wear them to a festival unless it's like a weekender where I can wear them at the campsite. But yes, they're pretty cool, and I really love this color as well. So the only thing I wouldn't really wear are the leggings. The print is just a bit too much for me. They're also a bit too big, like right around the crotch area and the knee area. It just bunched up, so they weren't really the right fit for me. I do think you can style them really cool though, if it is your style, like with a longer shirt or a cropped up or even the full dream outfit as I showed you. It's such a look. I think everything is pretty good quality. Obviously I only wore it once today, but I do have a lot of clothing by 100% hardcore already. I even work in some of the sweaters and they're still great looking. So yeah, let me know what you thought of this video. I know it's a bit different. I'm trying new stuff, not only in my outfits, but also in my videos. Let's hope we can party again soon so I can do some actual party vlogs. But in the meantime, I'm working on some really cool collabs. I'm really excited for them. Also, if you want to order something, anything from the website, use code Alena10HC, so that's Alena10 Hardcore. And of course, let me know what you order and what your favorite pieces are. Like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!